So we're now going to take you through the steps of the Hot Spot Jive. This is a very popular little jive that won in June this year. So we commence in open facing position and we're going to dance a link into a whip. We're going to underturn the whip so the gent will end facing centre, the lady will end facing the wall. Back, replace and chasse, round we go and chasse. So as you can see, we've moved out to double hold. We now dance flick ball changes. Gentleman with the left, lady with the right. Flick, ball change, chasse against the line. We repeat the action on the gentleman's right, the lady's left. Flick, ball change, chasse down the line. From here now we dance a zigzag into a step tap and a chasse away from partner. Forward, side, behind to the side. We now dance, and as you can see, we've released our double hold. We now have gent's left hand holding lady's right hand. We now dance a side step into our partner and we tap gentleman left, lady right. Side, tap. And we're going to chasse away from partner, making a quarter of a turn to end facing partner. Chasse. We now go into a step called change of hands behind the back. Now the gentleman is going to turn away from the lady will turn towards the gentleman, and the hand change takes place behind the gentleman's back. Back, replace and chasse. There's the change of hands. Chasse across to your own place. So we'll take that from the beginning. So we have our link into our whip. Back, replace and chasse. Move out to double hold chasse. Flick, ball change, chasse against. Flick, ball change, chasse down. The zigzag into the back tap, chasse away. The change of hands behind the back, chasse. At the end of the change of hands behind the back, we've adopted double hold. We're now going to dance into the windmill. Now this is a turn to the gentleman's left and we're changing sides as we go on the chasse. Back, replace and chasse, chasse. We're now dancing a change of place with the lady going under the arm, turning away from the gentleman. Back, replace, and as you can see, I've gone underneath the gentleman's left arm. Chasse. And we end this in closed facing position. We now dance a fall away, throw away, which is where we bring the lady across in front of the gentleman and then we follow her up as she chasses away from us. Back, replace, we bring her across and we follow her up and we change to handshake hold. Now we have an American spin, which is a lady's turn on her own to her right. Back, replace and chasse in, chasse out. This will end in open facing position with the gentleman's left hand holding the lady's right hand. We now dance a change of place with the gent making a quarter of a turn to face the wall. Again, ladies, you're turning away from your gentleman and dancing under his left arm. Back, replace and chasse, chasse. To finish the dance, we dance steps 1 to 2 of a link and then a rock. So we're dancing back, replace, side, replace. So let's see if we can put all 16 bars of the Hot Spot Jive together. So our link into our whip underturned, and back, replace and chassis in. Round we go to double hold. The flick, ball change, chassis against, flick, ball change, chassis into the zigzag. 1, 2, 3, the back tap into partner. Now the change of hands behind the back. Chassis into your windmill. Chassis, chassis. The change of place, chassis, chassis. Fall away, throw away, end this in handshake hold. American spin, chassis, hat chassis. Under the arm, ladies. Now the 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4.